Move Cohen's prize so I can get my prize. Come here, Coles. You want to see me? Or you want to see your prize? Can I get a hug? Come here, Pumpkin. I love you. Can I get a kiss? Alright, your prize is a little different, okay? It's a piggy. You want me to show you?
What does it do?
I'll show you. Watch.
Oink, 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 oink. I want it.
You don't want it?
No.
Well, look, buddy. Wait, watch. Tell Daddy put it on.
You want to be piggy? Colton want to do? You're my little piggy! Aren't you my little piggy?
My prize.
Oh, this is your prize, Pumpkin. I thought you'd enjoy it. Yeah, want to.
Well, Cohen, you'll share with Cole, won't
Can
you?
you share with Cohen?
Yeah.
Look at Colton. Cole, what Daddy bring you?
A space.
What?
I have to get these out.
Camden!
Here.
You want it? Here you go, Pumpkin.
I want the spaceship too, Mom.
I
Cohen, give him a truck. Or give him the rocket. The rocket's cool, guys.
Rocket ship.
I almost got 2 of these because I thought this was going to be the hit.
know.
Great car.
Boy, was I wrong.
Yeah.